Hello and welcome. Let us take a look at the question on the board. It reads, if 3 is divided by the sum of x and 1, the result equals to 3 divided by 5. Find the value of x. Now this is a word problem. So we read, we interpret, and we solve. 3 is divided by the sum of x and 1. The sum of x and 1 simply means x plus 1. So 3 is divided by sum of x and 1, which is x plus 1. The result is equal to 3. The result is equal to 3 divided by 5. Find the value of x. So we need to get the value of x. So how do we solve this? Since we have a single fraction on both sides of the equation, we can simply cross multiply. So when we cross multiply, we have 3 multiplied by x plus 1. I'll write it this way. 3 into x plus 1 equal to 5 multiplied by 3. Now when we open this parenthesis, we have 3 times x, 3x, 3 times 1 plus 3 equal to, the product of 5 and 3 is 15. So from here, we subtract 3 from both sides of the equation. So minus 3 minus 3. So positive 3 minus 3 will give us 0. So this is gone. We have 3x equal to 15 minus 3 is 12. Now the connection between 3 and x is multiplication. So to break that bond, we use division. So we say divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 3. So I'll divide this side by 3, and whatever is done to one side must be done to the other side. So 3 here, we cancel this. We'll be left with x here. 3 into 12, 4 times. So the value of x that satisfies this equation is 4. And it's very easy to check if your answer is correct or not. Now, you just replace the value of x with its value in the initial equation. So x is 4. We put 4 here. 4 plus 1 equal to 5. So this part of the equation is going to give us 3 over 5, and it's equal to the right hand side of the equation. So this shows that the value x equal to 4 is correct. And if this is an objective question, there's a simpler way of approaching it. Now once you notice that the numerator or denominator are of the same value, and what is the unknown, if for instance like this one, the numerator are of the same value and the unknown is in the denominator, x plus 1, and we have 5 over here, you just equate the denominator. You equate the denominators. Why? Because the numerators are of the same value. So I can just simply say x plus 1 equal to 5 and subtract 1 from both sides. This cancels this, x equal to 4, without going through this long process. If it's an objective question, you can quickly do it this way. But before you can apply this method, you must ensure that the numerators are of the same value. And if the unknown is on the numerator, the denominators must have the same value for this method to work perfectly. I hope we do understand, and I hope this helps. Do not forget to like, share, comment, and follow us for more. Have a nice day.